I don't know about you guys, but I think it is a perfect time to take a cruise. So we got the Z out, it's already warmed up, so we are good to go, guys. So without any more talking, let's jump in the car and let's do this little POV drive in the rain. Maybe there's some drifting, we'll see, but yeah, let's get it, guys. All right, how are you guys doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Just got off work and I figured that we'd go on a little drive since the weather is so nice. My definition of nice, of course, a lot of people like to cruise in sunny, clear sky weather. I don't know, I guess I'm depressed. I like cruising in like rainy, cloudy weather, so I don't know. I like it, don't judge me. But we're pulling out of my driveway right now and we are getting ready to head out. Are we gonna make it? Are we gonna make it? Play it safe, play it safe. All right, jeez. I gotta do this every time I leave my house, guys. It's kind of annoying, but so as we're waiting, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Lewis and this is my 2005 35th anniversary 350Z. I like to make videos with it, so if you guys are new to the channel and you haven't subbed yet, just join the fam, guys. We're about to hit 3K. That's my goal for the end of this year, so I think we can do it. But with all that said, I'm not going to really talk too much. I'm mainly going to drive the car because that's what you guys came here to see. But I will tell you guys a little bit about the car if you don't know much about the Z chassis as we go along. But yeah, kind of a steep exit. Probably you Stance boys couldn't live where I live, but hit a little U-ey right here. All right, guys, and if you can't tell where we are, we're obviously in Florida because half of the sky is cloudy and the other half is sunny. So as you can tell, this is Florida's bipolar weather, but avoid that pothole. But yeah, sheesh, is it a coyote? Damn, kind of nice. I like that green color in the Mustangs. Shaky shaky, eggs and bakey. All right, I think we are good. Nope, I waited. See, guys, in life, when you hesitate, the opportunity could pass you, so don't hesitate. That's your lesson for today. All right, we're sliding. It's a fat pack. All right, let's see if I can sneak this little, come on light, come on light, shit. All right, we're gonna send it because this lane turns into a turning lane. We got a little bit of a wheel spin right there. I didn't think the car was gonna do that. The traction control kicked on. Whoa, buddy, what are you doing? Are you stupid? Hopefully, knock on wood, we don't run into any piggies, any coppers, but ooh, Type R, clean. This is like Nardo Gray. Alright, hopefully the rain doesn't pick up much more. My interior is getting a little wet. It wasn't raining prior to me wanting to record, so let's just send it and see what happens. Let's hit this little puddle. Hopefully I don't hydroplane. Oh fuck. Sheesh. Imagine if I did. I'm gonna like title this video "Driving into the Storm," because that's literally what we're doing right now. See, there's a cop right there, guys. So if you guys are wondering, what do I have done to the car? Literally nothing. I just did this shift boot and this shift knob. That's it. I have some test pipes. I personally don't want to do it. It's raining so much, so I really can't do it outside. So we're trying to find a shop, reputable shop, that does it for a reasonable price. But we'll get the test pipes on. Come on, St. Louis. Ooh, look at that NB Miata, clean. That's a 6K car right there. I don't know how, but market's going stupid. Ooh, ST. Sheesh. Wow, no turning signal. What is wrong with you, bro? So we're gonna see what we get into. Maybe some hood rat stuff. But yeah, right now there's a little bit of traffic. I can try to weave out of it, but the roads are a little slick and I don't want to make a mistake. Not that you can. This car only has like 250 wheel, bro. Like, it's not even fast. But it's a driver's car. It handles pretty good. It's fun to drive. Okay, guys, give me a break. Probably one of my favorite parts about the interior are these triple gauges right here. They come OEM. Every 350Z has them, but I thought it was a cool little touch, you know, seeing your miles per hour and all that stuff. You can actually like change the information and what it displays. It's pretty cool. But if you guys didn't know, now you know. See, if I had a loud exhaust, it would be kind of nice to hear right about now, but I'll send it anyways. Yeah, this car really needs to be louder. It like has no soul. I mean, stock OEM exhaust, it has a nice little tone to it, but it really, you know, it's too quiet, guys. We need to straight pipe it. No, I'm just kidding. We don't want a straight pipe VQ. We want it to sound good, not obnoxious. That's the goal. Oh, is that a cop? Oh shit. Sometimes they're undercover. You gotta watch out for the Chevy Tahoes. The fuck? Is this U-turn right here? Yeah, I think we're Gucci. All right, let's send it. Drift it. Sheesh. No, I was just some lady. It's actually one of my favorite back roads. Literally no traffic, open roads for miles. This road connects to the highway, so if we keep going straight, we do get to the highway. Technically, this is kind of a highway, but it's like a back road type highway. You got the cows over there. Shout out Chick-fil-A. We got all the expensive houses on this side, and just open roads. Doesn't get better. Oh, we got a cop right there. Huh. I told you guys it's the Chevy Tahoes. See if we can do a little bit of a drift. All right, we're gonna send it. What do you guys rate that? 1 to 10? That was a little sloppy. I could have sent it a little harder, but I feel good after that. It's like right after I do like a little drift or whatever, power slide, I just want to keep doing it.